Hello beautiful queens, welcome back to my channel. It's a good Nora, welcome back here again. So like I promised, I was gonna make video for the moisturizer for your dark hands, dark feet, dark areas. That's after using the soap I made in my previous video, the cream you need to moisturize to brighten these areas. So that's what we're talking about today. So before we proceed, if you're new to this channel is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion and lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you don't know what you're missing. You need to subscribe. We have a lot of goodies. We have a free training coming on the 20th, which the link to the class is in my description box, so you can just go to my description box, hit the link to join the class. All right, so this channel is one channel you want to be in, you want to subscribe to. We have a whole lot of goodies going on here, so you don't want to miss out on any of them. So now let's proceed to the topic of today. So the first product I'll be introducing to you for this mix is this serum. This is it. I'm also going to put it on my thumbnail so you can see what it looks like. The name is Instant White Bleaching Oil. It's made up with alpha arbutin and niacinamide, and it's written here, results visible in 2 days. So I'm going to tell explain to you how you can mix this. Okay, the lotion you're going to do just to mix this way to achieve a very perfect dark hands, dark feet, dark areas cream. All right, this serum is very active. Right, you can see it written there. It's written Instant White Bleaching Oil with alpha arbutin, niacinamide. You know, alpha arbutin is like a safer version of hydroquinone, so it's a safer version of hydroquinone. It's really active when used, included in any whitening recipe. So this contains strong whitening additives, which is alpha arbutin, and also niacinamide, which also caters for anti-aging. This serum will not only whiten the area you use it for the mix you use it for, it will also help take off the fine lines and any discoloration you have on your skin. Fine lines, not the fine lines that comes with when your skin is built up with dead, like your feet is built up with dead skin cell, or build up with the build up of a dead skin cell, fine lines, not looking good, looking rough. This will help whiten it up. All right, this recipe I'll be sharing with you today is a tested and trusted recipe. So before I introduce my Dubai white oil, which I sell as because the Dubai white oil help whiten the feet, whiten your hands, whiten any dark areas of your skin. All right, before I started selling that, this moisturizer is something I used to make and give out to clients who has the issue of dark hands and dark feet. So I'm sharing that with you all today. All right, this whitens the skin. If you use this with the soap I made earlier in my previous video, this cream, and get any good scrub that have sharp exfoliants for your feet. All right, if you don't even have any scrub, you can get Yoko Spa Salt. You know Yoko Spa Salt, the sachet scrub, which is even less than 1k or so. The sachet scrub, you can use that to scrub your feet. All right, it's mainly for, don't use it on your body, because when you have sensitive skin and you use that kind of scrub, sometimes you can react to it. But for your feet, your hands, you want to achieve fast results. Okay, if you're not using my product, which is the multivitamin scrub, you can use that spa salt, because it will help buff out the dark feet, the dark feet challenge, and to also help scrub off the dead skin cell on your hands, to help the whitening hand cream penetrate deeper, and it will also help the soap you will max before you wash off. That's the previous video. If you check the video, you understand better if you haven't seen that video. So it will help the soap penetrate better. It will help the whitening cream penetrate better to help whiten your feet and your hands. So now, this serum is made up of just 2 ingredients. That's the active ingredients contained in this serum. It's alpha arbutin and niacinamide, 70%. It's a whitening oil, remove dark spots, anti-aging oil, remove patches. All right, it's written instant white bleaching oil, alpha arbutin and niacinamide, and result is seen in 2 days. Now, so let me tell you how you mix this. So all you need for this mix is to get the base you're supposed to use for this hand cream. It has to be a base that contains alpha arbutin. So you can use any alpha arbutin base lotion of your choice, but I'm going to be inserting one, which is the one I have tried with this serum that works so well. Right, I'm going to insert the picture, all right, somewhere there. And also, because this contains alpha arbutin, so we're going to be using alpha arbutin lotion as well. So all you need to do is just to measure out. And also, sorry, before I continue, I have to tell you, I have to include where this oil is made of. It's a 50 ml serum, and it's made in Thailand. It's made in Thailand. You know, Thailand products are very authentic and they work very well. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is what the bottle looks like. So okay, for the mixture, all you need to do is to measure out 100 ml of the lotion, which I'm going to insert a picture. You to measure out 100 ml of the alpha arbutin lotion. Then you add the whole bottle of this 50 ml oil, 100 ml of the lotion, and you add everything in this bottle in the lotion. Then another thing you're going to add is to add your 2 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil. I normally use this vitamin E oil. Also see if I can insert a picture of that. I always use this vitamin E oil because it's authentic. All right, so you need your 2 tablespoons of your vitamin E oil in the mix, and you need 1 tablespoon of your propylene glycol, and also you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of your glycerin into your mix. You mix it properly, you apply it on your hands and on your feet. If the location you're staying is very hot, please apply the mixture only at night. But if you live in the country when weather is really cold, you can apply it morning and night. So now I'll have to explain to you how you use the whole combo, which is the soap I made previously in my the previous video. The dark hands and feet moisturizer is a strong whitening moisturizer. It's not hot, it's very mild, very mild on the skin, but very effective. When you apply it, it's just like you applying moisturizer on your skin. It's very mild, and it will moisturize your feet. It will take out fine lines. It will whiten your dark feet. It will whiten your dark areas. All right. And the good benefit of this moisturizer in this mix is that it's an anti-aging treatment. All right, it will whiten the area, the dark hands, your dark feet, take out fine lines, take out dark cracks, make your hand look very soft, youthful, and beautiful. All right, so now how do you use the whole combo? What you have to do, you wet your feet, you apply the soap. All right, or you wet your hands, area you want to clean up. You wet your hands, you apply the soap, you apply your feet, you leave it on there for like 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you take your Yoko spa salts, you take a handful of it, and you wet your feet because it's a dry scrub. Okay, so you have to wet your feet because the soap has stayed on your feet and on your hands. Of course, it's going to go dry after 10 to 15 minutes. So after that, you wet your feet again with water. You take a handful of this Yoko spa salt, use it to scrub your feet, scrub your hands. After that, you rinse it off. Then you rinse it off. You can take a little of the soap again and make sure you wash off all the salt off your hands and your feet. And after that, you dap your feet, remove the excess water, and you apply the mixture of the cream, which I just explained how you can make it. All right. So like I said, if your environment is very hot, please apply this moisturizer only at night. And you can use a Vit SPF. I have done that. I've done video of the Vit SPF cream here. So I'm going to also insert the picture. So during the daytime, okay, if you live like in Nigeria, like right now, the weather is really hot in Nigeria. So if you live in Nigeria, you use your Vit sunblock to use it as your hand cream in the morning. Use it on your hands and on your feet. If it's your feet you're treating, use it on your feet. If it's your hands you're treating, use it on your hands. Then at night, you do this routine. You mix the soap, you scrub it with the spa salt, and you apply the moisturizer at night, and you go to bed. In like 10 to 2 weeks maximum, you will see your feet looking so beautiful. Now, if you live in a country that is cold, you can actually you can do the scrubbing just once a day. That's your hands and feet. You know, you're not supposed to scrub your whole body every day, but you can actually do that if your feet is very dark. You can scrub your feet on your hands. Your hands are dark, full of dead skin cells. You have to scrub it every day. Seriously, you have to scrub your hands. You want to achieve good results. I'm telling you from experience. You have to scrub your hands. You have to scrub your feet every day till you achieve a clean, soft baby foot. Till you achieve a smooth, soft baby hands. Then you can now minimize and scrub it alongside with your body, which is a normal 2 to 3 times maximum in a week. Okay, if you want to achieve an even skin tone, sometimes you can even do scrubbing of your body once a week, and your skin will still look very clean. Okay, you can just do once a week, but at the time of treatment, you have to scrub your hands and your feet every day to achieve fast results. So you scrub your hands and your feet once, maybe. Okay, let's say if you're in Nigeria, you do it every night till you see when you see your feet back with that youthful softness, clean, clear of blemishes and all. Then you can now start scrubbing it. When you're scrubbing your skin, you now scrub it the normal routine, which is once, twice, or maximum 3 times a week. By the time of treatment, you have to scrub it every day. You scrub it, you max the soap on your hands or your feet, whichever way you're treating. You let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You wash it off, you sweat it, you scrub with the Yoko spa salt, and after that you apply the moisturizer. You do this for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can start scrubbing 2 to 3 times every week. By the time of treatment, you have to do it every day to get results. After you achieve your results, you can minimize it to twice a week. If you're in Europe, you can apply the cream morning and night, but scrubbing is just once a day. Don't scrub morning and scrub night. You can scrub your feet and hands every night, okay? Then you can apply the cream morning and night if you're in a country that is not hot. But if you're in Nigeria, please do it only at night. If you're in Nigeria or any other hot country, please do it only at night. Except the weather is okay, it's not hot, you can do it morning and night. But the scrubbing has to be once a day, please. And once you achieve your result, please minimize the scrubbing to 2 to 3 times every week. That's your feet and your hands, all right, to maintain the result, to maintain supple, soft, baby smooth fingers and hands and feet, right? So that will be the end of today's video. I don't want this video long. I just have to, if you notice, I'm kind of rushing it because I don't want it too long. I just want it really brief. All right, so that's the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you notify each time I drop a video. And don't forget, our free training is coming up on the 20th for Snow White Milk. So you can just check my description box to hit the link there to join the class. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.
Swimming